Today I'm checking out this compact 4K mini body camera, and for something this small it actually packs in a lot of features. It comes with a 64GB memory card already included, so you can start recording right out of the box without buying extra storage. The first thing that stands out is just how tiny and lightweight this camera is. At only 44 grams, it's easy to clip onto a shirt, hat, backpack, or even use as a wearable POV camera. It includes a magnetic mount, so if you're attaching it to something metal like a bike frame, toolbox, lawnmower, or other surface, setup is quick. Video quality is one of the big selling points here. It records in 4K at 30 frames per second, and the 150-degree wide-angle lens gives you a broad field of view. That makes it useful for first-person video, travel clips, pet recording, and even a quick behind-the-scenes footage. Just keep in mind this one does not have image stabilization, so if you're moving a lot, footage can show some shake. One feature I like is a built-in screen. A lot of mini cameras skip this, but here you get a 1.47-inch display, which makes it easy to preview what you're recording, play clips back, and delete files without needing your phone. There's also Wi-Fi built in, so you can connect to the ViPulse app and control it remotely. That's handy if you're filming solo or mounting it somewhere that's hard to reach. You can adjust settings, start recording, and preview footage directly from your phone. Another nice touch is the ability to switch between landscape and vertical recording modes. If you're posting to social platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, being able to record in vertical format directly saves editing time later. Just note the 4K option only works in landscape mode. It also comes with a full accessory kit including clips, cases, magnetic lanyard, and multiple mounting options. That gives you several ways to wear or mount it depending on what you're recording. If you're looking for a lightweight wearable camera for casual recording, social media clips, motorcycle rides, or hands-free POV video, this one offers a lot in a very compact package. The built-in screen, the included storage makes it especially easy to use, and the extra accessories means you can start testing different setups right away.